Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Hyundai Tucson door with a key. First, locate the small keyhole, usually found on the driver's side door handle. Carefully insert your physical key all the way into this keyhole. Once the key is fully inserted, gently turn it clockwise. You should hear a click, indicating the door has unlocked. This method is essential if your key fob isn't working. After turning the key clockwise and hearing the click, you've successfully unlocked the door. Now, simply pull the door handle to open it. Once the door is open, you can step inside your Hyundai Tucson. Remember to close the door securely behind you. This manual process ensures you can always access your vehicle, even without remote functions. It's a reliable backup for any situation. Once you are comfortably seated inside your Tucson, insert the key into the ignition cylinder located on the steering column. Turn the key to the on position. This will power up your vehicle's accessories and dashboard lights. To start the engine, continue rotating the key further to the start position. Hold it there briefly until the engine turns over, then release it. To avoid needing the manual key often, remember to replace your key fob battery regularly, typically every 2 to 3 years. A dead key fob battery is the most common reason for remote unlocking failure. Keeping a fresh battery ensures convenience. Also, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Check the description below for a link to this amazing device and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.